with Ironwood Outfit, here with another 2-Minute Tuesday. And I don't do a ton of turning, but when I do, I usually do really intricate, crazy things with over a dozen layers. This has like 25, 26 different layers here. And I want to show you the easiest way that I've found to glue this up without them sliding everywhere, and you know, then you waste half of the blank because all these kind of went everywhere. So come with me to the bench, I'll show you what I found. One of the things that I think most people forget about or just don't do for whatever reason is simple hand pressure. I put a good amount of downward force on each one of these layers and it sticks together better than you can imagine. But that's not the trick of this video. You'll see the trick in a second, and if you stay to the very end you will get a quick shot of the project that this is for. And the project build video for that is going to come up probably in a week or so, so stay tuned for that. The minute I put clamps on it, this thing is going to start sliding everywhere. So instead what I do is I just put a couple of little pins. I try to make them shorter than the table, but apparently, or shorter than the stack, but I didn't, like an idiot. That's it. Now, when I clamp this, see these went through? I don't know if you can see that because those are pins, they're tiny, but who cares? Just bend them over. Now, when I clamp this, sucker's not moving anywhere. It's awesome.